guys, welcome to my channel. It's another day and I'm outside here. It's so beautiful. So today we will be making cherry ice cream. All right, I have 1 can of condensed milk, 1 pint of heavy cream, and these are my lovely cherries, guys. So red and vibrant. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to pluck the seeds out of these cherries. I already washed them, and now all you gotta do over here, I pull out the stems, so all you gotta do is take your fingers and squeeze and pluck the seeds out just like that. See, the seed is over here. I'm gonna show you another one. It's right here where this I removed the stem. Squeeze it, pluck the seed out, squeeze it, pluck the seed out. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up, and I meet you back here in a few. Now that my cherries are all washed, plucked, I'm gonna place them in my chopper cup here to get them crushed. So here it is, all crushed up and ready for my ice cream. Now I'm going to go to the next step. So in my big bowl here, I'm going to pour my heavy cream. So this is the heavy cream, guys. So I'm just going to pour my box of heavy cream, which is a pint. So as you can see, 1 point. So I want it to get to peak, guys. So I'm going to use my mixer to get it to that stage. So what you want to do is just use your mixer in a swirling motion to get it to that peak that you are looking for. See? It's getting really thick. So as you can see, guys, I got it to peak. You see how thick and creamy this is? So as you can see, guys, I got it to peak, and now I'm going to add my condensed milk. So here we go. Condensed milk. Well, condensed milk is a little thick. So here goes my cherry in it, along with my condensed milk. Now we're gonna continue mixing. Plastic all over. Really and nice. Ready to go into my freezer. guys, it's all done blending and I have mess all over my kitchen counter. As you can see, it's right here, all nice and creamy. And now I'm gonna pour it in my nice little pan here. Here you go, guys. Ready for your freezer. 45 minutes later, let's take a look at our ice cream. It is right here. As you can see the pink popping through, and that's coming from the cherry. So let's dig in and see what we got here.